My darling, you'll never be everybody's cup of tea. Because you're champagne, my love. You're in a league of your own.
Hey my royalties, welcome to my channel. Today video is about these K-tips that I've had in my hair for a little over a month, and I wanted to just do a quick review from the customer's standpoint of view. So if this is something you're interested in, stay tuned. All right guys, so the reason I want to do this video is because when I was researching K-tips, there was limited information really catered to African American hair, and the ones that I did get are from Stylist. I didn't really see too many reviews on K-tip. Take you through the process so that you can not have to go through some of the things that I went through when I first started. So I got my K-tips done December 1st of 2024. We are now in the middle of January 2025. Let's get into what it's looking like right now. Okay, so why did I get K-tips? So I am a natural girly. I haven't had a perm in a couple of years, and I got tired of the braids. I wanted to have a versatile style and still not have to perm my hair. So once I found out about the K-tips, the flexibility of it, and the ability to keep my natural hair, I had to jump on it. So keratin bond that is attached to your hair, so it is very expensive. So let's get into the price range. The price ranges anywhere from $2,500 to sometimes $6,000. I know, crazy, right? However, it does last for 4 months. Okay, work with a stylist that's going to make sure that your hair is taken care of. You go and do maintenance every 2 weeks, which includes washing your hair, treating your natural hair. So if you are looking for a protective style, this is definitely not for you. I do have hair out. Like I said, the hair is actually attached. I'll show you one real quick. As you can see, this is my hair, and the bond is attached to my hair. This is my hair, and it's grown out and it's attached. Not good for a protective style. I do have some leave out in the front, and I do have it on the perimeters, so I am able to put my hair up. I love the flexibility. I love that I could put it up. I love that I could put my hair in ponytails. I love that I can do an updo and pretty much part my hair wherever I want. I love it. I love it. Should match the texture hair to your texture for it to be more realistic. It has to be extremely good quality because remember, you are having this hair in for 4 months. My hair washed, and I did get some extra pieces put in with the wash. It took quite a bit. Now, the process. So there should be some sort of consultation with your hairstylist. She will match the hair with your hair. And if you need a smoothing treatment, if you need coloring, your stylist will go over that with you. It is an all-day process. The time, your hair, what you need done. So it can take some time. So just be prepared for that when you go. I really, really love it. There are some things along the way that I have learned that really has helped to keep this style, the longevity of it. So I am in Florida, so the humidity right now, it's cool. So once the heat, my hair puffs up. So I have invested in a small flat iron close to the bonds. It will come out, and that's what happened to me in Africa. I was flat ironing my hair like it was normal, and that took a lot of pieces out. So you have to, if the bond is here, you have to go below the bond. You don't get any heat next to it because it basically melts it and pulls it out. So that's something that is very critical. So if you can get your hair straightened by your stylist, and what I did, I wrapped my hair. I literally wrapped my hair every night. I put a scarf and then a bonnet. That keeps the longevity of your hair. Trust me, wrap your hair, please. And then I noticed that these brushes with the little balls on it are not K-Tip's best friend. Now, if I do this from down here and kind of just brush it, yeah, that works. Kind of just from down here. But if I try to go that way, and everything is kind of slanted, this will pull up. See, I'm glad it happened on camera, because look, it just pulled out here. You see, this is not your friend. Throw this in the garbage if you have K-Tips. I'm so happy this happened on camera. Now, my best friend, where none of my hair comes out, are a big comb. So, but there's a difference. So this comb is kind of pointy, that you can actually make parts. This comb is kind of rounded. I can't explain it. But there's a comb that has like a rounded end, and that has been my best friend. I don't really go in the roots. I kind of do like a slanted comb. I don't go, I just kind of go here. I don't go like it's like that. I'm not trying to pull anything out. I just go this way. These little tips, let me tell you, will save your hair. Wrapping your hair using a big comb, not the pointy one. It's the ends are kind of rounded. Staying away from this. You see this pulled out my hair, and look at that. You spend too much money to not know what to do. So wrapping your hair again, keeping the heat away from the bonds, that's blow dry, flat ironing, using heat protectant. I have been using this, and I put it on the edge, and I might just flat iron my natural growth. But at the end of the day, I do have a kinky straight texture, and it blends with my hair. So even if I'm at the gym, it blends. I've learned with these K-Tips, because I spend so much money on them, that I go to the gym with a scarf. Yes, I'm that girl. I have my hair wrapped. I put my headphones on top of my scarf, because this is an investment. And I noticed that my hair is growing with this. And my hairstylist, I will link her information below if you are in Broward County in Florida. She's amazing. She's very caring. And yeah, I noticed that my hair is growing, but it definitely comes with a really good stylist who knows how to take care of your hair. So just make sure you do your research. And yeah, I hope this brought you guys some information that will help you. Oh, one more thing is that I use a silk scrunchie, because again, the hair is very delicate, and the scrunchie that's silk just feels better for me. Love it. I mean, if you saw me, you would not know that this is not my hair, because yes, I do all of this, girl. You will never ever be able to detect these K-Tips. All right, my royalty, thank you for watching. I hope this helped you guys. I will continue with my journey. I do have a maintenance coming up in a week, so I will film that for you so you can see the process and how long it takes and what it entails. Consumers can see that side of having K-Tips versus the stylists who are posting, and we love you guys. There's a lot of good ones out there, so make sure you do your research. Go on Instagram, and I will put my hairstylist in the link below. Thank you. Bye.